Hi, in this video we're going to have a look at highlighting some keywords within the content of the page, as well as applying anchor tags to some of them. To start with, download the exercise files. With the exercise files, you've got CSS folder with the core.css file, which contains some basic styling. The most important bit here is the highlight class, which basically applies the background color to the keyword itself. Then you also have access to the index.php page, which contains the variable within the PHP opening and closing PHP tags and some content in between double quotes. Then we have the structure of the page. So to start with, what we're going to do is first we're going to create the array right at the top before the paragraph variable. And our array we'll simply call array. Our array will have just three elements. First one will be copyright with value null. Second one will be website with value of some URL. We're going to specify here as the tutorials.com, and then the next one legal with blank value as well. Now these keywords exist within this content. This is because obviously we want to highlight them. Only website will be converted into an anchor tag and will link to a separate website. These other ones, copyright and legal, because they have blank value, they won't link anyway, they will only be highlighted. So now if we scroll down after the content, we start with for each array as key equals value. And now we're going to check if is an empty value, we're going to do something else, we're going to do something else. Okay, if is an empty value, I'm going to close the browser on the left, so we've got a little bit more space here. If value is an empty, then paragraph, I'm going to copy the name of the variable because I tend to misspell things. So I copy the name of the variable and paste it down here. Paragraph equals preg underscore replace, and first we need to specify the regular expression, so it's going to be /\b, and then between the curly braces we provide our key. Then we go for the /b/u for UTF encoding. Then we want to replace all this with href equals double quote, single quote, our value concatenated with the dots, then single quote, double quote, then class, highlight, then we have target, we want to be blank, then close it, single quote, concatenating with the dot, key, dot, single quote, and closing a tag. So this will create the anchor tag, and then comma, and we obviously use our paragraph. So we want to replace all these keywords in this specific content. Then we can copy the entire thing, because majority of this will be exactly the same, apart from the fact that we're going to remove a and href attributes, and a will be converted into a span with the class highlight, and then obviously closing span rather than a tag. Now we're scrolling down, and in between our, I'm going to copy the name of the variable again, and in between our body, opening and closing body tag, we're going to type section ID wrapper, and inside of our wrapper section, we're simply going to echo our paragraph. Now if we save the page, go to our browser, refresh it, and you can see that all of the keywords which were inside of our array are now highlighted, and the website keyword, because it had assigned the URL to it, has been converted into an anchor tag. And if we click on this, it will open a new tab with the URL we've specified in the array. So that's everything in this video. Hope you enjoyed this. Any comments? Use our comment section.